In this video, I will show you how you can check the battery health of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now there are two methods to check the battery health of your Samsung phone. For the first method, just open the app drawer, then look for the Samsung Members app. Now in Samsung Members, just go to the Discover section, and from here, just tap on Diagnostics on this page. From here, just select Phone Diagnostics. Now if it starts the phone diagnostics automatically, just tap on the back button and select Stop Diagnostics. Now after you arrive on this page, just select Battery Status from here and tap on Test again. Now it will show you the battery health of your Samsung phone. As you can see, the battery is currently normal and the battery health is good. Now if you want to check the exact battery health percentage of your Samsung phone, so in that case, just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just scroll down a bit and disable the toggle for auto blocker. Now just confirm this action by either using the lock screen pin or your fingerprint. Now after you turn off the auto blocker, then just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial this *#9900#. Now after you open the System Dump section, now just select Run Dump Stage /Logcat. Now it will take a few minutes to complete this process. Now after the process completes, then just select OK. Now after that, just select Copy to SD card, include CPU RAM dump. Now you do not need an SD card in your phone to complete this process, just select this option. And once this process is completed, then just select OK, then go to your home screen. Now for the next step, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your phone. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner on the screen. Now on this screen, just tap on the three lines at the upper left corner on the screen, and from here just select your phone. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for a folder called Log. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just look for a folder called Dump State, and after that it is followed by the model number of your phone. Now just scroll down and look for the folder, and after you find it, then just tap on it. Now on this page, just tap on the search icon and search exactly this. Now from here, just make sure you search exactly this because this text is case sensitive. After that, just tap on the search icon on your keyboard. And over here, you will find the battery health of your Samsung phone. As you can see, the battery health of our Samsung phone is on 99%. And this is how you can check the battery health of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.